Steve here, Chester Bow Basin, chesterbowbasin.com. We finished upgrading the electronics on this 1989 East Bay. The electronics were original to the boat, so you can imagine how old they were. So we put in a dual screen Garmin system with the 18-inch radar dome that went up on the mast. And there's some really neat features about this system that we put in this boat. So it's got two transducers because of the way the hull's designed. And that allows you to see port and starboard. And then obviously it's got the standard down view that we're all used to. It's got the navigation with the radar overlay, pretty standard. Okay, we're all used to that. Obviously the radar's got to spin up. As you can see, it's spinning up there. But there's some really neat features with this system. There goes the radar. It's showing the storm clouds. I mean, you can adjust the settings so you only see stuff in the water. Obviously, we'll allow the owner to play with those features. But here's the really, really neat stuff. The 3D chart gives you a full 3D image of everything you're navigating through, as you can see. And then this incorporates the radar, so as you're navigating through the channel, it will show you vessels on the water. Obviously it shows all the markers. Really, really neat system. And then the other really cool system is the 3D down view. And again, it shows a full 3D image of everything you're navigating through. As you're navigating through it, it'll actually show fish on here, so you can anchor and then pan around and see a full 3D model of what is underneath you and around the boat. Really, really neat feature. So if you got older electronics and you're thinking about upgrading them, call the office and we can let you know what systems will fit in your boat and fit your budget. Signing off.